I nominated Phil because of his enthusiasm and his bravery in the way that he approaches things in life. He's not let his disability get in his way. He came to Addysg Oedolion Cymru, Adult Learning Wales, with his camera and asked how to use it. The problem with Phil was his left hand is the perfect hand, but all cameras are built for right-handed people. But there are things on the Mars that we're able to use, and he's used them, which has helped his confidence and improved his photography as well as his photographic editing skills.
On Thursday, I was a bit nervous here. This course helped me a lot, meeting new friends and meeting Mick. The number one, Mickey. Mick is number one.
Right from the start, Mick and Phil worked really well together. Mick realised that Phil was going to need some support to fulfil his potential. He struggled with the written aspect, and tutor support, scribing support and support from fellow learners. He was able to do the accreditation, and he's worked from level 1 beginners, complete beginners, through to level 2 intermediate courses, and on to the digital imaging that he's doing now, and very keen now to move on to the advanced level. So just brilliant that he's got all that accredited learning under his belt.
Some days I'm a bit upset on my mind, saying to myself, right, you're lucky, I am lucky. Some people are worse than me. Yeah.
The fellow learners here in the class talk about his positive attitude, his sense of humour, his enthusiasm, and he just works alongside them. He accesses the course in the same way as they do, and they see him as any other member of the class.
Since Phil's been coming to me on the photography side, he's become far more confident. He's happy to go out with his camera now on his own. I don't know if it's a therapy of some sort for him, but when his brain's engaged in photography, he doesn't seem to worry or have any problems at all with what he does.
He's had such an inspirational journey. He's even encouraged other learners to join classes as well, and he's looking forward to taking it to the next level, to the advanced course. So yeah, well done, Phil.
Go for it. They say ability or not, I say.